Well, as I continue the storm cleanup, I am making some progress, but there's so much damage that, again, it will be months and maybe a year before I get everything cleaned up. But here's just an example of what I've done so far in the last 4 or 5 days. So I'll turn this around, and this is about 50 some foot of split wood that's hauled in, and I'm getting ready to go out and continue the process of cutting some more. So stay tuned and you'll see what else is happening. Well, as you can see, that's the splitting process, and what I'm doing is hickory right now. And I do have some junk wood that I would say is sassafras that's cut and split and ready. So it is actually, I think, 80 degrees here in southern Indiana, and I've got a couple other piles here that I split earlier today. So that's kind of been the daily routine for several days now in a row. this is it's a little bit early because it's pretty hot outside here, but I'm going out to check the cows. I check morning and night, sometimes during the day, to check on estrus to see if I need to do any AI work. And I'm out here on the gator just checking on the cows. They're actually trying to find some shade, and it won't be long until the leaves start to pop out on some of these trees that they'll have some shade. But this is just almost every evening event, checking on cows, and there'll be a big group of them down here just relaxing in what little shade we have in the trees. So they're pretty content. Looks like there'll be no AI work in the morning. So thank you folks for watching. Appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. I know they're not all that professional. Hopefully I will get better over time. So thanks for watching.